Hello guys, welcome to the pronunciation skill video of the day. I am your Coach Gabriel with the English Coach Online. Today we're going to be focusing on the sound sh and ch. So it's two sounds. We have sh and we have ch. All right, so let's take a closer look. All right, so this is the pronunciation skills of the day. We're looking at the initial sh versus ch, right? So one is smooth, sh, and the other one is impact, ch. All right, so let's take a look at these words. First one, ship, chip. Repeat it. Ship, chip. Next one, shin, chin. Shin, chin. Next one, shore, chore. All right, shoe, chew. Next one, shoes, choose. Shoes, choose. Next slide. Share, chair. Next slide. Sheep, cheap. Sheep, cheap. Next slide. Shop, chop. All right, next slide. Sheet, cheat. Sheet, cheat. Next slide. Sheaf, chief. Next slide. All right, so let's see if we can remember the words. All right, what is it? Ship, chip. All right, next one. What is this? This is her leg, this is her shin, and this is her chin. Next slide. What is it? Shore, chore. Shore, chore. All right, next slide. What is it? Shoe, chew. Shoe, chew. All right, next slide. What is it? Shoes, choose. Next slide. What is it? Share, chair. Next slide. What do we have? Sheep, cheap. All right, next slide. What is it? Shop, chop. Very good. Last slide. Sheet, cheat. Sheet, teat. Next slide. Do you remember? It's sheaf, chief. Sheaf, chief. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in to the pronunciation skill video of the day. Today was a great video focusing on the GR sound. Remember to stay tuned for the next video and keep practicing.